Cleaning your floors without harmful chemicals just got even easier. Introducing the Norwex Spray Mop Attachment, the newest addition to our best-selling mop system. This must-have accessory is the latest innovation to our revolutionary non-stop mop. Now, there's no need to carry a spray bottle. The attachment provides fresh water as you clean, when you need it. To assemble, simply connect the mop spray attachment to the handle and the base. When it clicks into place, that means it's secured. Next, remove the reservoir, fill it with tap water, then pop it back in. Adjust the mop handle to your height and add your Norwex wet mop pad. It's best to start with the damp pad. That's it, we're ready to go. When you need a fresh mist, angle the handle straight up to 90 degrees and push down to deliver the perfect spray of water. Spray and mop away dirt, dust, grime, pesticides, pollutants, and more, so your floors are cleaner and safer for your family. And not only do you save money because you don't have to constantly replenish your expensive floor cleaners, our long-lasting mop pads can be used over and over, helping your budget and the planet by eliminating the need for wasteful disposable pads. What's not to love about faster, easier, greener, safer, and cleaner? Mop smart with Norwex.